going? Welcome, welcome. Back to London again. Back to London. Welcome. New day, new opportunities, right? That's what I always say. Tyrant, hello there. Happy New Year. Welcome back. Rabbi, good morning. Trade Delicious, good morning. Welcome. How's everybody doing? Okay, let's start this. Let's look over these levels in these charts. It could be interesting. There's a 1 hour supply zone higher, which I definitely like. I think it's an amazing level to go for. But obviously, we're gonna go over some levels here. The market went down in the Asia session. There was no particular levels to sweep here. So Asia low can still be an issue. I do have a very small 1 micro position open. I don't know if if this one wants to go lower to 627, but I do have a position open. Il Hogens, hello there. Shenanigan, what's up? Caesar and Anne, hello. Yoraget. It was like good morning. So we do have some levels being taken out. I feel like it would be just awesome to continue higher. There is no hold on. Yeah, so Asia high, technically this was the highest point here at 702. Would be just great to see it going further higher. We have NFP day today, so obviously that's something we need to count with. Otherwise, not much is happening. Not much is happening. Okay, so let me show you my position here. Where is it? Only 1 micro, so not a big deal. Oh, which tab is this? Oh, here it is. Okay, chart trader. All right, here we go. Why is it not updating anyway? Because it's not moving. All right, so anyway, here's the position, only 1 micro. My stop loss is below the Asia low, just in case if it would go lower. So that is it so far. Not a big deal. About $100 or so. That's all we have. And let's talk about gold a little bit, because on NQ, I'm definitely needing to get that 1 hour supply zone. If we go lower, I'm not sure if I'm interested to scalp this one, but we'll see. I mean, scalp our way down to that Asia low. Well, maybe. We'll see. Maybe. But I don't really want to risk that. So I might as well just, you know, stick to a small 1 micro trade. Yonix, hello. Hey, good morning. So on gold, well, still have a level up there. This is like, we talked about this level on the hourly. It's not a perfect supply zone. Technically it is, but it's not. Let's just say that it is 45.16.7. I don't think we're going there though. Okay, so that's a 1 hour supply zone. 1 hour supply zone. That is it. Forex Mitch, hello. Good morning. Or good evening for some of you guys. Yeah. I like to see gold going higher, to be honest. Pulled back down here, picked up liquidity here. Maybe I'm just gonna open a position on gold as well. Not sure. I was eyeballing with this level quite a bit. Yeah, the problem is the position size. That's gonna be the problem. Yeah, I'm not sure I can target with $100 loss with 1 micro. My stop loss should be down here. Yeah, it moved a lot recently. Gold moved quite a bit. Gotta be careful with gold, just like with silver. Quite a big leverage. I just cannot risk less than $300 on this. Okay. Because I obviously I can't put less than a micro. And if I want my stop loss to be down here, you know, that's not going to be good. So I'm not going to take the trade. Who knows? But yeah, let's wait for NQ. Still in the middle. We made the structure shift higher here in pre-London. So technically, this bullish candle at, yeah, just 5 minutes before 1 a.m. 055 technically shifted, but who knows? Currently in Canada at the far west. Oh, you're still okay. You're still in the past. Forex Mitch is still in the past. Yeah, so not much going on here. We might as well just gonna see a sideways action day today. Pretty much could be happening. Wouldn't be surprised at all. No Trade Stocks, hello, welcome. And yeah, so this position, as you guys can see, it's small drawdown. Still kind of waiting for some of those levels. Hold on. To be taken. Let me check my indicators. Dun, 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 dun. All right, not much is going on so far. Gold is not really showing any signs of continuation. I just have to wait a little bit here. So that's what we're gonna do. Just gonna wait. Because it's 95% waiting, as we all know it. Mahavir, hello, welcome. Happy new haircut, thank you, Sarah. I'm afraid I do have to go to the barber shop. I mean, not now, but the guy told me I need to go every 2 weeks if I wanna look sharp. And the good news is, today is my 5th day on the diet. Yesterday I finished up the day with 1600 calories, which is amazing. Yeah. Good morning, Ashokum. Hello, Ashokumar. Hello. I'm gonna call you Ash. How's it going? I had 1600 calories worth of wine last night alone. That's awesome, man. I like that. I like it. Well, maybe I can do like I'm just gonna have wine all day. Gotta make sure I keep it under 1600. Hey Gabor, good morning. Yeah, everything should be really boring this morning since this is NFP day, so probably sideways action. As I said, I only have this small 1 micro position. My stop loss is right below the Asia low. If it starts to go lower, then let it be. The only level I see here is the 1 hour supply zone, so not much to do with this. I mean, obviously we're excited to see how the London Open will go, and let me just check the news. Yeah, nothing in the European session. Consumer spending, French consumer spending, Swiss region, okay, that's nothing. Unemployment rate, Switzerland, nothing really exciting. Canadian news, 8:30 non-farm payroll, and we still have the University of Michigan sentiment at 10 a.m. I feel like until 10 a.m. could be tricky. Maybe nothing even going to move. So it's just a waiting game. It's just a waiting game. Hey Ron, what's up? Good morning. My first 5 green days in a row. Oh my gosh. 5% profit target every day. Oh my gosh. 5% every day, you're up 30%. Ron, that's amazing. What you doing over there? That is amazing, man. That is just amazing. Hey, Camille, what's up? Hello there, and Mirovsky is here. Good morning. Just waiting. 10K account, only 1,500 a day. That's amazing, Ron, dude. And by the way, I mean, if you're just aiming to make like, you know, $100 a day, imagine, like, yeah, easy to say to be, I mean, then to be done, but really, $100 could be made with one micro. No sweat. I mean, definitely less sweat with scalping with minis or whatever. Richard, hello. Richard Van Hooydonk. How's it going? Man, I know I already told you this, but your name reminds me of the DJ Armin van Buren. I like it. It's a cool name. And Adrian van Hooydonk, the BMW designer, you know. I think that was that's his name. Adrian van Hooydonk. He's great, yeah. It's only about scaling. Exactly, Ron. More sweat, one mini. More sweat, more stress. We like it. Oh yeah. We discussed that. Yeah. Just a second. I'll be right back. Just I have to check something real quick. Smash the like, and I'll be right back. Okay, here we are. I am back. I'm sorry. I was away a little bit. My trade seems like it's gonna go to the dumpster. Welcome everybody who just joined the stream. Sorry, I was out a little bit. Welcome there. What's shaking, Ollie? Hello. Kwang, hello. Yeah, waiting for NFP. Not much to do with this, I guess. It's just gonna be one of those days when there is not much to do. Feel like Asia low can be taken. Curry Fishbowl, hello. I'm sorry again, I was out a little bit. You got the great short? Let's go. Actually, I'm still hovering in that small trade. Look at that. I'm in a drawdown, but it's only like I'm at $67 only. If it takes me out, I think I should be getting out around 110-ish, 120 bucks of loss, which is okay. Let's go, Mike. Hey, Lucas, what's up? All right. So we're just going to keep on waiting. It seems like the 5-minute is going lower. I don't see any level down there. But anyway, we might just going to sweep the Asia low, which is not good for me. But hey, what can we do, right? Yeah. We'll see. We shall see. It could be a continuation lower. Actually, we're not far from these lows. 30 points ish. And yeah, here's NQ. Here's gold. Yeah, gold also moving lower. The thing is, there were no anyway, I was waiting for a okay, never mind. Never mind. Shri Singh, hello. Daily bias. Well, I want to see, even if not in this London session, it seems like we're going for that Asia low, which it is what it is. I'm in a long position right now in a drawdown, but maybe in New York session, we might see this 1 hour supply zone being taken. Until then, it's just a waiting game. Is going to form bearish in the weekly. It could be. Let's check the higher time frames here on NQ. Okay, so this is the daily chart so far. Let's see what's going on. 568. Could we go lower? We could. That's the daily chart. Weekly got rejected here. This is the weekly chart that got rejected. We might need to keep an eye on the mid-level of this bullish pin bar from December 15 if it wants to go lower. But yes, it can lean into a bearish scenario pretty easily. And of course, we do have a gap here as well. I mean, we do have quite a few gaps along the way, but yeah, there is one here, way lower. Anyway. Vincent Vega, hello. Hey, the year just, yeah, no rush, man. Welcome back to the channel. What's up? By the way, everybody, until we're waiting for the market to show its hand, let's all smash that like button if you can. Please help out the channel. and let's all smash the likes. Thank you so much. It does mean a lot to the channel, by the way, if you guys can push that like button, because YouTube algorithm likes that pretty much. So that's why I just keep reminding you guys, if you can help out the channel, it's free to do. Let's smash those likes. Thank you so much. Preparation for shorts. Let's see. Done. Thank you so much, Lucas. Lucas, where are you from? Are you Hungarian? I mean, your name resembles a little bit like Hungarian. Peachbud, hello. Always need a friendly reminder. Yes, we do. Done. Thank you so much, guys. I appreciate it. So, Poland. Oh, okay. Polish people. You know, the good old saying. I mean, our ancestors were saying like Polish and Hungarian people were always friends. And let's forget about the current politics situation, all right? Because currently the politics are, you know, it sucks. But, you know, regarding our history, Hungarians and Polish are good old friends. But I by the way, we do want to visit Poland this year. We are hovering around high volume node and previous big point of control since yesterday. I don't think we will move. Yeah, we're not going to. I think it's just the market's just going to wait for the news release. That's the thing. Mr. Brion, hello. Simone Rhoda, hello. Good morning from Italy. Hey. Oh my gosh, I was on a summer holiday, summer vacation in Italy. The food was amazing, and you know what? The people were super friendly and nice. I mean, I was like not so much down in the middle. We were up in come on, I forgot the name of the place. It's not Bibione, it's oh my gosh. Now I don't know. I totally... Whoa, we have a new subscriber. GM Indivo. Hello. Yes, Zolo. Oh my gosh. Yes, Zolo. Yes. Oh my god. How could I forget that? Sorry, I'm still sleeping, by the way. I'm drinking my coffee. Yes, Zolo. Yes. We were in Yes. It's very popular for many Hungarian people here because it's close, it's near. But hey, I had such a great time because our hotel was not in the center, but we were on the edge of the city, and so it was not crowded, and there was some trees as well. So we were having, like, it was a really nice resort there. It's a nice hotel, and everybody was super nice, and the food was great. Volkspart, hello there. Trader Muchko, hello, good morning, all is good. I'm sitting in a long position, by the way. So we're still kind of waiting. I'm in a drawdown, so don't worry about it. Yes, hello. I'm sorry. I don't know what got to me. I should have remembered. I don't know why I didn't remember. Maybe I'm getting older. Or first signs of dementia. I don't know. Dementia. Could be happening, guys. Could be happening. You're in gold longs? Let's see. So my idea was originally to take this fair value gap. I mean, there were two fair value gaps here. One here during the pre-London session. So one fair value gap there. And there was another one actually here. So I thought that, hey, it should be enough support for price to go higher, but instead it turned lower. and it still can go lower because we shifted structure. So it's tricky. We have Asia low there. We'll see. And is from Hungary. Üdvözöllek, gondoltam, hogy te Magyarországról vagy. Üdvözöllek. N. We're in gold longs. Let's see. Let me check the gold long positions. Angolul nem is tudok. Ha bármi kérdésed van, nyugodtan tedd fel magyarul. Azt nem is kérdezem. Meg szabad kérdezni, hogy hölgy vagy esetleg férfi, hölgy, csak hogy tudjam a statisztikát. vannak már fiúk, lányok itt magyarból, mindenki. Meg vagyok lepődve, hogy mennyi lány van. Andrea, oké, na azért mondom, hogy meg vagyok lepődve, hogy mennyi hölgy néző, meg kereskedő van, ez a lényeg, hogy mennyi hölgy kereskedő van már. Úgyhogy nem semmi. I'm just saying, like, Anne is from Hungary and she's a lady, and of course I was just surprised like how many female or women lady traders are in the trading space, like more and more, which is kind of cool, I think. Structure is weak on the 5-minute, but there is no doubt bulls are trying. Yeah, bulls are trying. And look at gold. I mean, I was a little bit tempted to go for that order block up there. Look at yesterday. Yesterday, the market tried to reach this area, 45.12-ish, 12.2. Almost went to the order block, but then it rejected right after. And this happened right after the daily reset, like we went lower. And so it might attempt to go higher again. Nobody knows, right? Good morning, Marco ZFG. Welcome. Okay. Let's see what's going on. I mean, I'm trying to be optimistic with this trade as much as possible. I'm trying to be optimistic. Just a second. 21. We can do it, yes. Dear bulls, please push up. Thanks, your friendly Ollie. Well, if the market bankers are watching the stream, I'm sure that they are going to like it. Yeah, so far looks okay. Not that bad, even though we're in a drawdown, it's not that bad. we have this order block higher, white higher. So it's like 100 points. And you know what? I know it's pretty much up there. Obviously, I will need to close it if this trade is just going to hover around in this area. So the news release is going to be like here. So that means I will close position. If this is going to go just sideways, I will close positions at least at 8:20 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, because obviously I'm not really expecting 100 points of move here, but you never know. You never know. This indicator is basically nothing special. I've been told yesterday that the TradingView version is almost ready. This is just an RSI down here. The dots that you see here, there are small dots and big dots. As you can see, these are not particularly bubbles, but dots, I would say. This is a zigzag indicator, customized, custom zigzag. The dots. The bigger dots are higher time frame dots. In this case, this is a 5-minute zigzag turning point, and the small dot is the 1 minute, because I'm on the 1 minute. If I switch to the 5-minute chart, the big dots are 15-minute turning points, and the smalls are the current 5 minutes. So it's always showing you the higher time frame turning points. The thick line is an anchored VWAP, which is also like repainting and shifting. Well, not repainting, but it's shifting. It's technically a customized anchored VWAP, and the other two is just moving average, a little bit customized. So everything is basically based on free indicators. It's just a little bit customized on MetaTrader, nothing special in it. So the big arrow that you see here is even a higher time frame. I think it represents the 15-minute zigzag. So it's like multi-layered zigzag indicators on the chart. The arrows, the big dots and the small dots are all kind of trying to show a structure or a possible swing points. That's it. Nothing special in it. Nothing special. Everything is based on free indicators. So currently on the higher time frame, which in this case is the 15-minute, there's a potential turning point. Let me actually show you. Here it is. That's the 15-minute dot. And if I go down to the 1 minute again, this is the dot, I think. I'm not sure, but I think it is. Right? I think so. Yeah, maybe. So who knows? The purpose of this is only to give you some sort of an idea of where the trend is going, or what's the current trend. It's basically, it's called intraday trend following system. That's it. Well, it's not the official name of it. There's no official name of this. Indicators doesn't have a name. This is what it looks like. Candles, EMA cross, EMA, large EMA. So these are all EMAs, what we're having, and a custom RSI. That's all. Nothing more. Let's just wait and see. So it's a small trade, and we're just kind of waiting for the London Open to happen. Oh well, I'm just kind of reading the news here. I'm sorry. Gamecraft is here. Hello. Hey, good to see you, man. How's it going? Happy New Year. Awesome to see you. What's up? Happy New Year. Hey. How was last year? All is good, I guess. Hope everything's fine. The most important is health, of course. We gotta stay healthy. I gotta make this a little bit. I mean, it's too bright. It's too bright here because outside everything is covered with snow. And the window is wide. I mean, the shader, the roller blades are all up. Okay, now it's better. Pretty decent. Let's go. That is amazing. Cool, cool, cool. Yeah, so to justify this trade for some of you guys who are tuning in, I was looking for this 1 hour supply zone, and I know it's way up there. So that's why I said the latest time today at 8:20, I have to close it before NFP. I thought, like, I'm gonna utilize these fair value gaps along the way, and I just want to see a push. So far, I'm considering this, hopefully it's just a liquidity sweep, like a fake out or something, and then it will slowly grind higher. That's the idea. I wanted to go there, but obviously my stop loss is right below the Asia low. It's just a 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio trade, so not a big deal. But yeah, I will try my best. Yeah, so that's all. I was just trying to look for these fair value gaps as a possible support level, yet it has swept some lows here, and now I'm just kind of hoping that it will go back up there. That's the idea. There you go. Sierra says your stop is my target. Yeah, unfortunately I think it can go down there. It has, I mean, for me it's unfortunate, but so far that was the idea that I had in mind. And yeah, and by the way, according to these indicators, we're pretty much in a congestion area and not much is going on. So this is the 1 minute. And this is the 5-minute, of course. Not much is going on. And just quick check on gold. Terrible. Gold looks absolutely terrible. Yeah, let's look at gold. Oh, we have, never mind. We have London Open in 10 seconds, everybody. 10 seconds, we have London Open. Actually, 2 seconds now. Here we go. On the right side is a 5-minute chart. On the left is just a customized 1-minute chart. Gamecraft is with me on the longs. All right. Well, as I'm showing it here, this could be like more of an intraday swing position. I'm okay with that. We'll see. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah. Let's see. Higher time frame still. I mean, everything is just congested here in this area. I can hold to near close. I just want to push it to pre. Oh yeah. I'm copying this trade on funded accounts in different prop firms. So I just want to make sure I might have to close it. I mean, I will have to close it at 8:20 just to play it safe. So at latest, if I would see this moving closer to I don't know, somewhere above 700, like 730, 740, I might even put it to break even. We'll see. Yeah, it's not a fast open here so far. Yokozuna, hello, good morning. What's up? Welcome. So far, so good. Back to break even-ish, almost. So yeah. How can I... never mind. You never average the position. I don't really like to add to the trade. That's the thing. An FP 100 points bump. You think so? I really hope so. Yeah, that's yeah. I mean, I agree. That's what I love to see too. So I don't really add to the trades once I put on the risk. At least that would be the plan. That would be what I would like to follow. Easy to say than done, because sometimes, you know, I mess up my own setup. But yeah. Oh my gosh, Sierra. That was close then. Any news about prop firms? Not much, Yokozuna, not much. No special news. Everything is pretty much as usual. We have some good sales going on though. Look at this drop. Wow. So yeah, I was expecting a bit of a stronger open here. Yeah, didn't go through, so anything is possible. It was a weak open. That's true. It was. Yeah, I don't even know if I should trust it or not. The only thing I keep like, or trying to anticipate, I mean, the 1 hour chart, the zone up here is looking really good. I mean, let me just look at it again. So we have this candle here. Let me just switch the pointer here. So this candle yesterday, 8 a.m. bullish candle on the 1 hour chart, absolutely beautiful. And so let me just make it clear, we have two markets, I mean two sweeps here. There's a sweep, liquidity sweep, here, and of course we have one here. Liquidity sweep, and I don't want to jinx it, but I think there's a fair value gap. Look at that. That's a 1 hour CB slash fair value gap. So everything is pretty much lining up. Like, I'm not saying perfectly, but I like it. So liquidity has been taken. Why am I doing this? I don't know. I usually don't do this. I mean, all these typing and everything. So liquidity was taken here by that candle, and we have the bearish market structure shift here, and guess what, we have it here as well. And that's why this candle, this is a perfect example of a supply zone. Now the supply zone starts at the opening of the candle, which is at 767. I think it's the CB is a sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency. Stopped out. Oh, sorry to hear that, Sierra. Well, maybe the next trade, you know, there's always a next trade. So this is why it's very important to me, this candle on the hourly. That's a picture perfect. Wow, this is actually a picture perfect supply zone. Really, guys, the more I'm seeing it, the more I'm, oh my gosh, what is going on? 5 gifted 5 gifted memberships to the channel. Oh my gosh. And the alerts should be coming off real quick. There you go. Gamecraft, dude. Oh my gosh, thank you so much, man, for the support. Natasha received a membership. Pakcharobin as well. Oh my gosh, Gamecraft. You the man. Thank you for the support. I thank you for the support. This is amazing. Parray. Hey. Also received a membership. Welcome to the Winners Club. Damn. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Kevin and Aslam. That's amazing. That is amazing. Yeah, the alerts. That's how the alerts are working. Congratulations for you guys for the win. And oh my gosh, again, Gamecraft. Super generous. Thank you for the support. For the stream, for the channel, for the members, for the viewers. Thank you, thank you. Appreciate it. What? Is this happening again? What is going on? Gamecraft. What is going on? Just another 5 gifted. Co-sign. Gamecraft become a member. Oh my gosh. Welcome to the Winners Club. Oh my god. Peachbud. Vibe Hub. Okay, and Bad Mavs, of course. Oh my gosh. This is amazing. How to receive them? It's random. YouTube is giving it randomly to the viewers or the subscribers. I have no control on it. This is absolutely random. The gifted subs are randomly. The pop-up. Right. Congratulations for the winners. Yeah, and we have Bad Mavs. Again, oh my gosh, Gamecraft, again, thank you. Much appreciated. You the legend, you the man. What can I say? You guys got payouts yesterday. Yesterday I did not receive a payout, but I will receive payout this month for sure. Hit the like button, Jake. Thank you. Oh yeah, and it's Friday, of course. It's Friday. Last 18 months, yeah. Thank you so much, Gamecraft, by the way, for being here, for being part of the community, the viewers. I know, guys, I do know Gamecraft has been here since quite a long time, and he's also like really grinding and pushing it and on the charts every week, every day. He's trading all as well, and he had some great results last year. Joseph, hello. It was just the winners, Pochi. Cyril, hey there. Oh, if I forgot to say good morning to anyone I forgot, then good morning. If you're just joining in the chat. How much does Take Profit Trader charge to reset the PA account? Just wondering. I think it's $100. I think it's $100 or $105 ish. Something like that. Let me check it for you. All right. Actually, I can check that for you. Let me see. Let's see. It's $100. Yes, it's $100. $100 for the reset. Yeah. Thank you, Ollie. Reset for eval. For the funded account, for the 50K, it's 640 or something like that, 650. 650 for the funded account on the 50K. I think for the 150K, it's like 1400 or something. So you can reset your funded account at Take Profit Trader, but I think it's just so expensive. I think you better go off by purchasing new evals and just, you know, but because it's very expensive, you got to be real confident to spend $650 on a funded account reset. But yes, you can reset it if you want it. 5 days are killer. I know. You know, the biggest values here in trading is basically the time, right? That is something. When I lose a funded account or even an evaluation account, it's not just about the profits. I said this many times. It's about the time. It's about the time and the energy you put into those accounts. So when I lose a funded account, yeah, it's sad about the... Oh, Trading Star is here. Hello, Trading Star. So it's not just about that. The first thing that gets to my mind, like, oh my gosh, I just thrown out like 4 weeks, 8 weeks of work on the window, and I have to start all over again. Taking profit of this long, $700. Let's go. $700. You can call it there. Yes, exactly. 700 is 700. Yeah. Do most people lose a funded account? Yes, I lost funded accounts on Wednesday. Today's Friday, Thursday, Wednesday. I lost Bulenox funded accounts. It was already in the drawdown. Only like $600 or $700 left on the account, but I lost it. And it's kind of crazy, you know, and all the time I look back to those losses, it's always about oversizing the position. That's the main reason. It's always about oversizing, and that's it. I got an $800 payout on my funded account, and then I lost it. At least hey, that's what I wanted to say. At least you got the 800. So if you were able to get some profits out of that funded account, then it's not that bad. So hello, teacher FX is here. Yo, what's up? Hey, good to see you, man. All time, yeah. Out of 700 last contract, nice. I'm gonna be hovering in this position for a little while, and yeah. But I'm copying this to other accounts as well, so. You blow the 150 PA account today. Oh, Rebby, sorry to hear that. most trendy way to blow up a account. Oh, careful with silver, everybody. I know it's very trendy, and I know everybody likes silver. Oh yeah, it's moving, but yeah, I'm even scared to trade on gold, to be honest, because now gold is also like, even with one micro, it's so easy to lose a couple of $100 now, even with just one single micro on gold. No, I'm going to close it. I'm going to close the trade at least at here's the line here at 8:20. I'm going to close it. So I'm going to, actually I can put an alert here. Can I put an alert? I don't need an alert. I'm just going to close it anyway. So what is happening on Bitcoin, by the way? Seems like it's having an interesting bull flag thing. I think it can go lower, all the way down there. January 2nd. Anyway. So this would be the plan on the hourly chart. Buenos días. Hello, David. Buenos días desde España. Hold on. Hold on. Hold your horses. Hold your horses. Hold your horses. This is going to be funny.
Doy la bienvenida a los espectadores españoles. Doy la bienvenida a los espectadores españoles. Doy la bienvenida a los espectadores españoles.
Okay, so doy la bienvenida a los espectadores españoles. Let me say it again. Oh, what is going on? Oh my gosh. MCC. I also lost 2 PA accounts yesterday on day 10. Oh no. $5,400 profit.
I also lost 2 PA accounts yesterday on day 10 with 5,400 profit.
Oh my gosh, I feel you there. Thank you so much for the donation. And you know what? I 100% know what you're feeling there, because I just went through the same exact thing last year. I actually made a video about it, so I know. I thought my TRADEIFY spoke something. Almost. I lost 7 Apex P8. Simone, oh, I forgot the pending order. Oh my gosh, and it was copy trading. Oh my gosh, it was copy trading. Simone. I'm sorry to hear that. Well, it was two accounts, so let's just divide that. And we're talking about $2,700. Yeah. So because he lost it on 2 accounts, 2,700. Oh my gosh, on each account. But yeah, I feel you there. 1 minute, yeah, it does. It does. Ask me how I know. How you know this information, Ali? I don't know. Nobody knows this kind of info. Interesting NQ movement here. Being there, I know the feeling. Yeah, I guess most of us know that feeling. No, I mean, let's check the gold here. Okay, my FOMO is kicking in a little bit because I was like eyeballing with gold here in this area. I was like, hey, this one should be taking some orders here and then moving higher. But anyway. Last year blew the 5,000 profit while I was waiting for the payout approval. Oh, yeah, Trading Star. Oh my gosh. I think you mentioned that to me, right? I think you told that story to me. It sounds familiar, but $5,000 in payout while waiting for the approval. That is, oh, that hurts me in the stomach right now to think about it. That was actually just all you had, Trading Star, man. All you had to do was just sit back and relax. That's all you needed to do, man. Oh, I know it's too late to do anything by now, but sorry, man. It just happens to everybody every now and then. Fang Woods, hello. Echo. Is there an echo, or is that just a like agree the or something? No echo. All right. Coach sign, hello. Guess what? Gamecraft gifted 10 subs to the channel, so you won a membership from Gamecraft Trades earlier. Yeah, I thought so. Yeah, Fangwoods. Yeah, I thought that's a AI impossible. Just subscribed to the channel. Welcome to the stream. Hey, good to see you. I'm so thrilled and and happy that we're having more and more viewers. I'm glad that you guys are here. And by the way, since we're just waiting for the pre-market open and for this trade to move somewhere, can we all please just smash the like button? How about that? Just smash it. And you know what? I was thinking about something. I'm still waiting for MyFundedFutures giveaway because I'm waiting for the accounts. Yeah, it was Gamecraft Trades. He gifted 10 subs to the channel. He also streams, yes. Super generous. This was a great I mean, interesting start of the week so far. So, how about AI Impossible, hey there. I mean, new futures currently studying ICT, but it seems like all the bootcamps skip the part where they explain if they use like TradingView or what they execute on, how many screens they have. Oh, so this is a thing where I would say there are so many different, you know, things how you can approach it. Which platform? I mean, the question is, no, how should I put this? It doesn't really matter which platform are you executing on. For example, I'm using Quantower and NinjaTrader. You can use TradingView. It doesn't really matter which platform are you executing. It's pretty much subjective. AI Impossible. It's very much subjective. Yeah, secret indicator class. It's not a class actually. I'm just so the platform is the least of your concerns or problems or questions. Don't worry about the platform. It's just, it doesn't really matter. I would say do the charting. I mean, it's not an advice, but for charting, I think TradingView is excellent. Very user-friendly, easy to manage. So I would use TradingView for charting because it remembers your markups and everything. Oh my gosh, AI Impossible just donated $2. Oh my gosh. Thank you. I don't know why the alert is not coming on. It should be coming on real quick or not. But anyway, thank you so much. Hey, you don't have to thank me. I'm going to give you a huge applause. Sorry for the alert because it used to come on a little bit earlier. Sometimes Streamlabs is not showing up the alert, but thank you so much for the donation. But I'm just saying, like, don't worry about the platform. If you're just new in trading, in futures, I think, and you're studying ICT, you should not be going lower than the 5-minute time frame anyway. So just focus on the 5-15-minute time frames, higher time frame analysis. I think you're good to go with TradingView, by the way, for now. And just test the platforms. Try TradeAway. TradeAway is very user friendly. Or I don't know. TradeAway is, I think, one of the most popular because it has a web application as well. So you can just open it from your browser. You don't have to download anything. So it's up to you. But if you're just sticking to TradingView, stick to TradingView. And so, by the way, I just wanted to say earlier, like, you guys all know that that Funded Futures Network has a buy one get one for free promo, right? Now, let me just say this. I know maybe not everybody would be interested in this, so you guys might not be interested, but I still would like to ask, but maybe nobody is interested. How about I give away a Funded Futures Network standard 50K account? Just one. I guess nobody is interested, right? All right, then let's just leave it at that. So, because I do happen to have a code. Oh, but I can't. Oh, guys, I can't. I can, okay, I can do better. I can do better. I can do better. Hold on. I can do better. Hold on. Let me check my codes because I have giveaway codes. All right. Just give me 1 second, please. 1 second. All right. I can't do that right now because they're not able to be given away. But I had to say it out loud. Oh my gosh. I can do something else. All right, I can do something else. How about, and I'm sorry, it's not going to be a 50K account. I have the codes for Funded Futures Network, but it's not ready yet. I can't tell you why. But since I said it, I'm going to give away a Lucid account, all right? I am going to give away 25K Lucid Flex evaluation account because that code is active. I can give it away. All right. So do you guys okay with the Lucid account? It's going to be a 25K Lucid Flex account. If that's fine. Sorry. I said it Funded Futures. I said Funded Futures Network, but I'm going to say Lucid. All right. Lucid. Fine. All right. All right. Let me just set this up, all right? Let me set this up. 25K Lucid account. I need to set this up. Give me a moment. Give me a moment. Only one account this time. I'm going to tell you a teaser. I have plenty of more accounts. Wink, really? I'm not lying. I have more accounts to give away from other prop firms too, but I'm preparing for a huge giveaway stream. But I'm gonna give one Lucid account away right now because we need to. Let's see. Where's the giveaway? Okay, let me just set this up. So only those of you can win the Lucid account if you are eligible to trade on Lucid. So if you're from a country that is restricted, I'm sorry, but there's not much to do. I mean, I can still give you the code, but you're not going to be able to do anything anyway. 25k Lucid Flex Eval. 25k Lucid Flex evaluation account. All right. Customizing it. Setting. Okay, I need to save this. I need to go back. All right. Exclamation mark Lucid to get a ticket for one 25k Lucid Flex evaluation account. Just type in exclamation mark Lucid. Everybody will get one ticket. All right. Everybody gets one ticket. Exclamation mark Lucid. One 25k evaluation account. Flex. All right. Only those of you can obviously activate it if you are eligible to trade. The code, I will be sending the code in email to the winner. All right. Let's go, everybody. Let's go. Hell yeah. Cool Lucid Trading. We love Lucid Trading, by the way. And you know what the best thing is? This is going to be a tricky one. It's free for the first month. I wonder if how many of you guys will know it. It's free for the first month, by the way. So it's only for the first month. It's free. Wink. I'm just trolling you guys. With Lucid, there is no monthly payments, no activation fee, nothing. All right. So once you get it, you get it. So take all the time in the world. You don't have to pay monthly fee. This is just a one-time exclamation mark Lucid, everybody. That's how you get the ticket. Everybody gets one ticket. All right. I'm gonna put it out here. We have 42 people getting the ticket already. 44 now. All right. Exclamation mark Lucid. I don't know if small capital or big capital. I don't know if it matters. Small or big capital with the L. I don't know. I mean the first letter. I created the setup. So where's the setup? History active. It says so this, you see, it's exclamation mark small L. But I don't know. Maybe it accepts it with the big L as well. I don't know. Exclamation mark Lucid. All right. 52 participants already. So don't worry, I'm just trolling. Good morning, trades by Naomi. Naomi is here. Oh my gosh, Naomi. Naomi's forgot. Naomi, good to see you. Okay, let me just put the screen back on. So now this is a possible long trade on. Actually, it's not yet, but it could be. Mr. Brownie, hello. All is good, Albert. Hello, welcome. Let's get that 100 likes, everybody. If you guys can help out the channel a little bit more, I mean, you guys are already doing a great deal here. Shrish, thank you for subscribing. Thanks for joining the channel. We have 191 viewers. And we have, I don't even know how many likes. We have, I don't know how many likes. But anyway. We have 90 likes. Let's push it above 100 likes, everybody. It's easy to do. Let's smash it above 100 likes. Awesome, awesome. Thank you so much. So, 25k Lucid evaluation account. We're going to pick the winner in about, I don't know, 5-10 minutes, all right? I'm not going to tease you guys for too long with this. In about 5 or 10 minutes, we're going to pick the winner. Everybody gets one ticket. Obviously, you can try to type in more, but everybody gets one ticket. And I know we should be having more accounts, but I'm not a prop firm. I can tell you guys, I do have more codes, but there's going to be a huge giveaway party, most likely next week, by the way. Next week is going to be a huge giveaway party. And I can't wait to tell you guys, MD110 on their name. Just subscribe. Welcome. So next week, I'm hoping I can have 5 core accounts from, I was expecting it for this Wednesday, but I didn't get it. So 5 core accounts from MyFundedFutures. I'm hoping I can get 5. At least 3, but hoping for 5. 3 Funded Futures network accounts and 2 Lucid accounts already lined up. And we'll see if I can get some Take Profit Trader accounts next week. But at least next week, 3, 6, at least 8 accounts will be given away next week. Lightning Taco. Oh no. Light Skin Taco. I can't read today. So because so this one single account is just a bit of a teaser, but we're gonna do, and that giveaway is gonna be a little bit different than this one, so it's not gonna be like a Streamlabs bot giveaway, but it's gonna be fine. So exclamation mark cash right now. Okay, not cash. Oh my gosh, Lucid, exclamation mark Lucid, not cash. It's a Lucid account giveaway. 25k evaluation flex account, no activation fee needed, no monthly payment. Kennedy Jose Vargas Acosta, thank you for subscribing. Welcome to the stream. There you go, Peach Bud. Exclamation mark Lucid. 25k Lucid Flex evaluation account. No monthly payment, no activation fee, as far as I know it. No activation fee, really. So you get the code, you get the account, and you're done. No expense. Oh my gosh, we're above 200 viewers in the previous second. That is amazing. We have 104 likes. Amazing. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you for the likes. Thank you for the subs. We're pushing it. Awesome, awesome. I know it's just one account, and I know we have many viewers. We have 77 people participated in the giveaway, which is not bad, I think. We're going to wait 2 more minutes, all right? 2 or 3 more minutes, just to make sure. If I forgot to say good morning to anyone, then I'm sorry, because the chat is scrolling like super fast and scrolling. Are you trading? Which currency? This is not a currency. This is NASDAQ. This is micro NASDAQ right here. So yeah, I'm already in a trade, very small trade in break even right now. I was in a drawdown earlier, so still don't know how far it can go, but I'll be waiting. You're gonna win, sorry. All right, I'm gonna wait less than 2 minutes, okay, and we're gonna pick the winner. Sinister, hello, welcome. No likes, no giveaways. No, there's always a giveaway. With Lucid 25k, how much buffer is needed to get payout? Excellent question. I never tried the 25k. It's not that it's bad. It's actually good. I think maybe 1500. I'm sorry. I don't know by memory, but let's see. Lucid Trading. FAQ. Lucid Flex. Payout. Minimum daily payout 100. Payout maximum 1000. Payout minimum. I think you don't have to have a. You just have to have 5 days above $100, and that's it. If you take out the profit, the minimum payout request is $500. So it's the same like the core account at MyFundedFutures. Once you get the payout, your initial drawdown is going to be moved to, your drawdown is going to be moved to the initial balance. So make sure to have enough room left on the account. That's the goal. All right. So there's no minimum. 5 days above $100 that you have to get. Yeah. There you go. Peach Buff says it. 1k profit break out the minimum. Yeah. And Melodies. All right. Thank you so much for the sub. On our Melodies. Let's pick the winner. All right. Let's just pick the winner because we need to pick the winner. All right. Let's pick it. All right. What I'm just gonna do. Hey, welcome, Monar Melodies. Thank you for joining us. Oh well, look at this trade. It's not able to push through this level. Exclamation mark Lucid. In 10 seconds or 20 seconds, I'm closing it down. We have 93 participants. I'm gonna close down the entries and I'm gonna cover the chat. So so I will not restart it. And obviously, this is going to be an activation code for the 25k account. If you're not eligible to trade with Lucid, then you're not going to be able to use it. Obviously, I'm going to give you the code anyway, but you know. The winner is going to be picked by Streamlabs here. It's random. So I'm closing down. We have 97 tickets so far. I'm going to close down the entries and I click pick winner. You guys don't see it because the screen is cropped, but there's a pick winner button here and Streamlabs is just going to pick a name here. It's going to be super simple. All right. I'm going to count down 5, 4, 3, and 2, and 1. I am closing the entries. Good luck, everybody. Closing the entries. Boom. Close the entries. I'm covering the chat, so if anyone types in anything, I don't see it now. So let's just make everybody comfortable. The winner who gets the 25K 25,000 Lucid Trading Flex evaluation account is a trader who's better than all of us, is a viewer who's always here, is an individual who's gonna be super lucky, is an individual who's gonna be making thousands of dollars from this one single account. So the winner is no other than the one and the only. Let's see. Rebby 888. Congratulations for the win. The 25K Lucid evaluation flex account. Congratulations, Rebby. Guys, don't worry. There's going to be a lot of giveaways next. I can promise you that there's going to be a big promise, and I know I can keep it because I already have some codes. Next week, there's going to be more giveaways. Actually, there's going to be a giveaway bonanza according to this channel standards next week. So just stay tuned. It's going to be awesome. Make sure to be here. And I'm going to post it out on Twitter and YouTube and everywhere. So don't worry. Congratulations, Rebby. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna post or type in my email. So just stay tuned. There's gonna be great chances next week. Here's my email, Rebby. If you can please give me an email. Maybe even a screenshot of your YouTube. But anyway, I'm going to just confirm that it's you. And once you send me an email, I'm going to just pick 2 letters from your email address and you can confirm here in the chat that it's you, just to make sure nobody piggybacks on the code. And thank you. So I'll be here. Take your time and you can send me the email. Yeah, MyFundedFutures is good too. Yeah, absolutely. They're an amazing prop firm. Yeah. We like them. All right. Well, so far still in this trade. And in a bit of a drawdown here. I'm not so happy about it, to be honest. On the right is the 5-minute chart. On the left is a 1 minute. I don't like it. It feels like it just wants to go lower below the 650s. I'm only risking about 120 bucks-ish on this, so not a big deal on an NFP day. Oh, I'm sorry, the giveaway is over. But stay tuned for next week. Look at this. It wants to it wants to drop. Rebby, I got your email. All right. I just would like you to confirm that the first two letters of your email is R and S. There's an R and an S. And then I will know. Yes. All right. Thank you. All right. I'm sending you the code in about a second. I just need to make sure I'm sending the right code. Let's see. Okay. Coupon code. Oops. Oh, not this. Okay. All right. I've sent you the code in email. Congratulations. Oh, guys, I'm sorry, but the giveaway is over for now. But we're gonna have another giveaway next week, so gotta make sure to stay tuned. There's gonna be more giveaways, and not just one. Next week, there's gonna be at least 8 accounts, maybe 10. Also have RNS. Yeah, that's true, Simo. Yeah. you might have got the same email. Awesome. Well, it's not moving. Let's check on gold. Oh my gosh. Maybe it's a good idea that I didn't take the gold trade, right? Maybe it's the best thing I could have done. Yeah, NQ is definitely not looking that good. We have the pre-market open in about 1 minute and 30 seconds. Hello Teacher is long on gold. I do think that it's I mean, long positions in the bigger picture at least should be good. I'd like to see gold pushing higher, to be honest. Gold buys, yeah. I'd like to see this one go way higher, up to that supply zone. Drop a like. Thank you so much, everybody, for the likes. We have 130 likes. Amazing. That is amazing. Here we go. The pre-market open is also here. Is almost technically it's here. Here we have it. Pre-market open. Not much of a volume surge here. It's not really doing anything. Oh yeah, we're above 130 now. 132, I think, or even more. Thank you everybody. Pre-market open is basically the electronic trading hours for the stock market. It's not officially, it's not called pre-market. We call it sometimes pre-market open. Stock market, stock exchange electronic trading hours are open. So for example, let me show you Nvidia. Let me zoom in under 1 minute. So this was 8 p.m. Eastern Standard this here, and this candle is 4 a.m. This was the open here, but let me check Tesla. Here's Tesla. Here's how it closed at 8, and here's the open. Yeah. So we had the pre-market. Usually we see some volume surge when there's, I mean, but Nvidia is not moving. Look at that. It's basically nothing. It's within the same range. Meta, this is Meta here. Nothing. So yeah. Tesla spiked a little bit. Not that it matters too much, but anyway. Oh my gosh, my trade is not looking good. Anyway. Could be bearish. It is what it is. Yeah, technically for indices, but the indice market is always open. But the stock exchange, I mean, the electronic trading hours is open. So more positions, more orders, that can move the indices a little bit better or faster than before. But it's not like it's not happening all the time. But you know, after the London Open, the next statistically higher volume surge could be happening around or after the 4 a.m. open. So that's why, you know, I usually wait for this. I want to see what happens. Gold looks bullish. Oh yeah, I do like it. Gold should be pushing through that previous day high. Maybe. Yeah, but unfortunately, my NQ trade is not looking that good. Well, I don't care. It's fine. It's chop fest on NQ. I was so sure. I'm still like, I want to see, I'd like to see that 1 hour supply zone being taken. But if it's not going to get taken, well, no worries. Go short. If I go short here and by some reason it just turns back up there, that's just going to mess up my analysis. So I would rather take the loss just to see how it goes. No problem with that. That's a small loss, relatively so. Should not be hurting that much. But yeah, I mean, it's part of risk management, you know, psychology and all that such. It's the only trade I'm kind of babysitting here, but I'm obviously I'm not gonna sit here all day. I set up the stop loss and take profit, so I'm not gonna sit here. It's an ugly price action. Obviously everybody's waiting. I'm gonna close if by some miracle the position survives until 8 a.m. I'm just gonna close it manually anyway. Yeah, but obviously it's not hurting at all. The only thing is I'm copying this to a few accounts, evals and fundeds as well. I just wanted to make sure that I can pull in some trades just to, you know, partially because of the inconsistency, inactivity rule at some prop firms. I always make sure to move every account once every week, by the way, for safety reasons. Yeah, it's not breaking higher yet, but you know, look at the hourly chart. I love the hourly chart. I love this level. Even if it's gonna go lower and sweep some lows, no problem. I still kind of like this area. It's 767. I do like it. I think it's an amazing area. So if it sweeps the Asia low and takes me out, and you know, by some reason it will stay around in this discount area after NFP until market open, I will still try to look for long positions. I think depends on the numbers, of course. But how much accounts currently? I'm having 6 funded accounts and a couple of evaluation accounts. I'm copying this to exactly 5 accounts. 2 of those are funded and 3 evals. I will put it out there because with NinjaTrader I can show you guys the trades on each and every account. I just got to make sure I'm not showing the complete account number. I've been told it's not a good idea to show the complete account number for privacy reasons, but I will put it out on the main screen. And I will also put a video about how I was doing last year with the payouts and how many accounts I'm managing currently. How do I get free funded futures network? The way you get it, Yash Trades, is that you purchase the account, you're going to receive a PDF document. And so you receive the PDF document and you send it to support@fundedfuturesnetwork.com. It's in the community post page, by the way. You can read the details, and they're going to send you 100% discount code. They're going to send it back to you, and then you can purchase it for free. Yes, the invoice, the receipt. Yes. One of those. Any one of those would do it. I usually send the receipt, I think. It's not a real BOGO because buy one, get one free. Well, if you buy one, you're getting one for free, technically. But there's a catch. If you blow up your initial paid account, just one at a time. Yes. So one at a time. That's what I want to say. Only one at a time. So you cannot have like 10 free accounts. Only one free account at a time. But if you purchase multiple accounts, you can also activate the free accounts after you've blown up or you're past the previous free account. So you can still get the extra free accounts, but only one active free account at a time. That's true. Also, if you blow up your initial paid account that you paid the $75 for, just don't cancel the subscription, because if you cancel the subscription, they are going to take away the free account. So they're going to take that away from you. So I strongly advise not to cancel it until you pass or blow up your free account. That's the catch. That's the only thing. It's not a big deal. Obviously, I think it's manageable. I don't think it's a bad thing. But just don't cancel the initial paid account because you're going to lose the free account. If you pass the account that you paid for, then that's the best thing, because then you can keep the free account as long as you pass the evaluation. You don't have to pay a monthly fee. You don't need a paid subscription if you passed the first initial paid account. It's not complicated, actually. It's very simple if you think about it. Okay. All right, everybody. I think I'm gonna call it here. This trade might gonna go to the stop loss. Not a big deal. I don't care too much. So we'll see how it goes. I'm gonna come back for the early session just to see what happens. Maybe we can scalp a little bit, and then I'll be at MyFunded TV as usual today. So thank you so much for watching the stream. This was an amazing session. Thank you for the gifted memberships and the donations. Congratulations to the winner. Next week, there's going to be more giveaways happening. And as always, if you would like to support the channel, I highly appreciate it. I'm very grateful if you help me out by using the TOMSABO code. That helps out the channel. I can get some more giveaway codes in the future, because this is why I got it from Lucid Trading, by the way. The reason why I got the codes, because you guys were using my code at Lucid, and support told me that they're rewarding the community with codes, and I'm going to give away those codes. So thank you so much. Use the codes, support the channel. God bless you all for helping out, and I'll be back for the early New York session. So yeah, God bless everybody, and cheers, stay safe. Cheers, everybody.